Hello everyone, well my gagging order has finally been lifted and I can reveal to you two exciting new products from myhenry.com. I didn't really have a gagging order, but Becky from myhenry asked me not to mention it until they were available to buy. So as soon as you've watched this video, if you want to go over to myhenry.com and buy one or two of these items, feel free. But stay tuned because I have a giveaway for you. I'll be giving away two of these, one of each, whatever they are. Well, you know what they are, put it up on the thumbnail. But I'll be giving away a large and a small version, courtesy of myhenry.com, to two lucky winners. So I'll be giving you details at the end of the video. So without any further ado, let's have a look at this exciting development. So here we have the two Huggable Henrys in nice gift boxes with Henry's face all over them. So this one is the small version, and this one is very similar to the Kasdan one that was available and now sells for silly money on eBay. So this one will cost you £15 including postage, which I don't think is bad value at all. He is very, very soft and squidgy. You can wash him, not in the washing machine, but you can sponge him clean if he gets grubby, or you can submerge him in some mild detergent, give him a rinse, squeeze him out and leave him to dry, and he's as good as new. But try not to get dirt on Henry. He doesn't like it. He likes dirt inside, but he likes to be kept nice and clean on his outside. He's very touchable. He's very huggable. You can see he got little wheels at the back and even a Henry tag on the side. So that is little Henry. Let's pop him to one side behind us. And this is big Henry. Now big Henry has something extra that Kasdan never produced when they did the Huggables, and I think you're going to like it. It's a little thing, but little things please little minds. Can you see what the difference is? Well, he has a handle, look. So you can carry him around, carry him into school, carry him around on holiday, wherever you go. You can now accessorize your outfit with Henry. But of course, it would be good if he had a little zip in the back and you could pop some sweeties in there, or your wallet or purse, whatever. Make a little Henry bag. That's an idea. You could if you're good at sewing, I'm not saying do this, but you know, you could always cut a little slit, maybe at the bottom. Put a zip in, take out some of the stuffing, so you've got a little handy bag. Just saying, but maybe that's coming. Now I do know that myhenry are going to launch these hoodies on their website. So this is the grey one. They also do it in red and pink. And I believe there are plans to do child sizes in these hoodies as well. So that's something else to look forward to for myhenry.com. But again, look at him. He's got this famous Henry smile, that lovely, bright, vibrant red colour. He's very squishable. He's very huggable. He's very soft. And again, we've got the Henry label there, and there's care instructions on the reverse. So let's get them together. So this one, the large one, will cost £20, including postage, £15 for the small Henry. I've put a link below the video to myhenry.com where you can pick up either a large or a small Huggable Henry. I think the large is going to be the more popular of the two due to the fact he now has this handy carry handle. Although, to be honest, they look very nice as a pair. So if you can afford it, I would buy both, because I would rehome both at the same time. It seems a shame just to take one away from the other, because there's nothing sadder than seeing a Henry alone in the corner of a shop. You might spot him. He looks very sad and dejected. So it's nice that they have a couple. I've got lots of Henrys, just a few of my collection, a tiny amount of my collection. If you check my pneumatic playlist, you'll see how many I've got. But you will be joined by Hetty soon. Hetty is coming. Hetty will be available, I believe, in the small size initially for £15. So you can get pink Hetty, just the same size as this one, but of course in the lovely Hetty pink with Hetty's famous eyelashes. So also, you will see a link to my Facebook page. If you click on that link, you'll see a post where you can win one of 2 sets of these. So My Henry have kindly given me 2 more sets to give away to 2 lucky winners. UK only, I'm afraid. I can only offer it to UK viewers. So you'll have to go to that Facebook page, enter your name, and then in a few days I'll take all your names, put them into a Henry bucket, and I'll pick out 2 lucky winners on the channel, and your details will be sent to My Henry and they'll send you the prizes out directly. So there we go, 2 very exciting new product launches from Pneumatic International, 2 very soft, squishy, huggable Henrys to add to your Henry collection. If you've any comments or questions about the new Huggable Henrys, please comment below, and I'll see you all very soon for another video. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.